Hey guys, so here I am in my garden and I'm going to be collecting some basil seeds, and this is the way that the basil seeds will grow off of these stalks here. So I'm going to go ahead and clip some off for you and then show you how to collect the seeds from them. So I've got a good bit here in my bucket to at least get me started. There's still quite a bit left on my basil plants here that will continue to grow and get ready over the next couple of weeks before they're ready to harvest again. You can get, this is only 2 plants that I have, and you can get quite a bit off of one healthy little plant to get you going for the next year. Okay guys, so I'm working a little sideways here, so bear with me. Well, this is what the stalk will look like. It's on a pretty square stem, and you'll get about 6 rounds of these little pods, and each pod has about 4 seeds. And you can see them here. And when they are black like that, that means that they are ready. Here at the other tip, they're white. These are not ready to be harvested yet, but you will get more than enough seeds off this stalk already. So the easiest way to do is to pick off piece by piece, and either you can dry them in these little pots, because I dropped one. You can either, like I said, just dry it like this and then plant it later, but I actually go ahead and just open it up and push the little seeds out and collect them that way. And right there I've got 4 little seeds, and just keep on going about your way, and the rest of it just goes into compost. This is all organic basil, so it's not going to hurt anybody. And I will show you my harvest once I'm all done, because this is going to take a while.